Do you know what happens if the source IP address is 0.0.0.0 or destination IP address 255.255.255.255? What is the meaning of loopback address like 127.0.0.0? Or what are the private addresses? In short, these all are reserved addresses for special purposes. To understand this, watch the video till the end. All zeros address. The block 0.0.0.0, which contains only one single address, is reserved for communication when a host needs to send an IPv4 packet, but it does not know its own address. This is normally used by the host at bootstrap time when it does not know its IPv4 address. The host sends an IPv4 packet to a bootstrap server called DHCP server, using this address as the source address. All once address or limited broadcast address. The block 255.255.255.255, which contains one single address, is reserved for limited broadcast address in the current network. A host that wants to send message to every other host can use this address as a destination address in an IPv4 packet. However, a router will block a packet having this type of address to confine the broadcasting to the local network. Loopback addresses. The block 127.0.0.0 is used for loopback address, which is an address used to test the software on a machine. When this address is used, a packet never leaves the machine. It simply returns to the protocol software. It can be used to test the IPv4 software. For example, an application such as Ping can send a packet with a loopback address as the destination address to see if the IPv4 software is capable to receiving and processing a packet. As another example, the loopback address can be used by a client process to send a message to a server process on the same machine. Private addresses. A number of blocks are assigned for private use. They are not recognized globally. These blocks are 10.0.0.0, 172.16.0.0, 169.254.0.0, 192.168.0.0. These IPs can be used within a network, campus, company LAN, and are private to it. These addresses cannot be routed on the internet, so packets containing these private addresses are dropped by the routers. Multicast addresses. The block 224.0.0.0 is reserved for multicast communication. In multicasting, there is one source and group of destinations. Network address. We have already discussed network addresses. The first address with the suffix set all to zeros in a block defines the network address. It actually defines the network itself and not any host in the network. Direct broadcast address. The last address in the block with the suffix set all to ones can be used as a direct broadcast address. This address is usually used by a router to send a packet to all hosts in the specific network. All hosts will accept a packet having this type of destination address and process the datagram. So this is all about reserved addresses. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.
If you like this video, press like and subscribe the channel and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video notifications. Thanks for watching.